from deserts, mountains high. With Tarami leading, we touch the sky. Asmon strikes like fire and flame. Iran stands proud, remember the name. Jahan Bakhsh running down the side. Goddos brings the skill and pride. Ezatollah, he holds the line. Together strong, our stars will shine. Oh Iran, hear the world call your name. Be Iran, vanguards the goal with flame. We fight, we rise, we play the game for glory, honor, and eternal fame.
یک اشتباه، یک غفلت مقابل چه کسی؟ آقای گل لیگ پرتغال، یعنی گل خوردن ازبکستان. ایران 2 ازبکستان 3.
Be flying, fearless fight, Rizayan crossing strong and wide. Khalid Zadeh stands with iron pride. No fear, no chains can hold us down. With Noor Afghan we own the ground. From every street the voices rise. A million hopes in Persian skies.